Festive season is already here and soon Diwali is coming. All are busy beautifying their home. So today I will be sharing Birdcage decor DIY. Actually it is recycling project where I'll be giving new look to my old birdcage. The decor ideas that I'm sharing today you can use for adding some festive vibes to your home. Let's begin. I have this old birdcage with me for the last 2 years. Actually, I used to keep hanging plant pot inside this cage in our balcony. But I think because of more direct sunlight and water, I could see few rusty patches on this. So I thought to give this new look in such way that I can use this birdcage for many purposes. So to give a new look and add sparkle to this festive season, I am using this gold color. This is Asian Paint Enamel Multi-Surface DIY Spray Paint. I purchased it from Amazon. After spraying the cage, I kept it drying for around 24 hours and now it is completely dried. I totally love this new gold vintage look of my birdcage. We are using plants here. As I shared earlier, I want to give this birdcage a new look in such way that I can use this cage for many purposes. Here I have this small pot with spider plant which I am going to place inside this cage. But if I keep this pot as it is, will not give the wow effect, right? So I decided to spray the golden color on this pot and saucer to complete the golden look. If you have golden color catch pot, you can use that. Once the paint is dry, I am going to keep it inside the cage. I selected the spider plant because it is hardy and I am keeping this cage indoors, so it is the perfect plant for medium indirect lighting conditions. And I love the look of spider plant leaves that falls down. Now the first DIY green lantern is complete and I think this golden color is really complementing green. This DIY is really simple but because of the golden color it gives vintage vibes. Don't forget to add fairy lights. For a new look you can change the plant inside the cage after a few days. Here I am using chopsticks and marigold flowers because no other flower spells festivities as marigold does. Now gently insert marigold flowers in chopsticks. Next, place any glass container in the cage. I am using this glass and then I am putting these fairy lights in the glass. I am placing one more glass here to cover the space and height of the cage. To break the monotony of yellow tone, I have placed one magenta tea light holder with artificial tea light candle. You can use any flowers which are available at your home. Here I am putting few bougainvilleas from my garden. Oh, look at this. Don't you think magenta and golden complement each other? Similarly, you can decorate this cage by adding different heights of lights, lamps and flowers. It is beautiful decor piece to add spark to your living room. This bird cage is really easy to find. You can buy it from any home decor store or from Amazon. Most of the things that I used here I purchased online. I will try to put all the links in the description box. I am using floral foam block for flower arrangement. I purchased it from flower shop. You can also buy it online. It is spongy phenolic foam used for real flower arrangement. It soaks up water like sponge and acts both as preservative to prolong the life of flowers and support to hold them in place. It has capillary action to move water to the surface and up the stem. You can cut floral foam into any shapes you want. Here I am making a square shape by keeping the space in the middle. After cutting them into pieces, I use chopstick to fix them in square shape. Don't forget to wet the foam before inserting flowers in it. I am using cut flowers for an arrangement which are generally used for making flower bouquets. These flowers have long shelf life. Most cut flowers can last anything from 5 to 10 days depending on the type of flowers. You can also use artificial flowers, but I believe having flowers in your home does not only enhance the room's aesthetic appeal, but it can also have a positive impact on one's health. They can boost anyone's mood instantly. Here I am using these pretty purple asters, few carnations, and this asparagus fern from my garden. With foam, you get design stability, flexibility, a water source, and efficiency. Once the arrangement is done, place it carefully in the cage. You need to be little careful here. You can also first place this foam inside and then insert flowers. I am using this asparagus fern for adding some greenery. Now I am keeping this glass of water in the center of the flower arrangement for placing the floating candle. Now the third and my favorite DIY is complete. I just love all these flower colors and the overall look of this cage. As I said, I have used all cut flowers here. They will stay fresh for a long time. Once they are dried, you can remove them without taking the foam structure outside and use the same foam for making new flower arrangements. So now you know how to add little spark and color to your home by reusing old things, right? All these DIY ideas you can use to decorate your home during the Diwali festival. Soon I will be sharing last minute super easy Diwali decoration ideas. Stay tuned for that. That's all for today. I really hope you enjoyed these simple and beautiful DIYs. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Till then, take care and happy gardening.